Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to discuss the hexagon in nature. But before that, what is hexagon? A hexagon is a two-dimensional plane geometric figure that consists of 6 sides, 6 vertices, and 6 angles. It falls under the category of polygons. We have two types of hexagon. A hexagon is said to be regular if all sides are equal length, while a hexagon does not consist of equal sides, are also known as irregular hexagon. Understanding these mathematical concepts helps us appreciate the remarkable ways in which nature uses hexagon to solve practical problems in nature.
The concept can be found in hexagon nature is symmetry.
Example, a great example of mathematical concept in nature is symmetry, which is found in abundance the natural world.
A snowflake is exhibit a six-fold symmetry with unique and identical pattern on each arm.
Geometry, understanding the properties of hexagons, such as their angles and sides. Fundamental hexagons have interior angles 123 degrees and equal sides in regular hexagons.
Hexagon runs image or pattern of plane without any gaps or overlap. This concept produces the study of pattern and geometry.
Honeycombs geometrically hands are a classic example of hexagonal structures in nature. Analyzing the hexagonal cells and honeycombs can involve concepts like area, perimeter, and optimization. Symmetry hexagon often exhibit various types of symmetry, such as rotational and reflectional symmetry. These concepts are important in the study of symmetry groups.
Hexagon are fascinating geometric shapes that appear frequently in nature. Some insights about the mathematical truths or certainties of hexagon in nature include:
honeycomb hexagons are permanently found in honeycomb created by bees. Bees contract hexagonal cells because these shapes allows them to maximize storage space and useless wax to build their hives.
Snowflakes. The intricate pattern snowflakes often exhibit hexagonal symmetry. This hexagonal structure arises from the way water molecules arrange themselves in the solid state due to their unique hydrogen bonding.
Also, bubbles cluster together, they often from hexagonal pattern at their borders to the minimal surface area visible.
So, crystals. Some minerals, like quartz, can form hexagonal symmetry as a result of other repeating atomic structures within their crystal lattice.
A compound eyes of some insects like bees are composed of many hexagonal facets. This arrangement allows them to see a wide field of view while minimizing the complexity of their visual processing.